In this video, we listed the 5 best plasma cutter on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Herocut Cut 45i IGTB Inverter Plasma Cutter. The Herocut Cut 45i is a plasma cutting device designed for efficient and precise cutting operations. It has dimensions of 305,230,130 mm, making it compact and easy to handle. This plasma cutter operates at a rated current of 45 amps and an input voltage of 220 V. It is compatible with standard power systems in various regions. The model number of this device is Cut 45i, and it is manufactured by Herocut in mainland China. The Cut 45i plasma cutter has been certified with the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. It has an input power voltage of 220 V plus 10% and a rated input power capacity of 9 kVA. The input current for this plasma cutter ranges from 1936 A, while the rated output voltage is 220 V at both 45A and 92 V settings. The no-load voltage for this device is measured at 244 V. With a duty cycle rating of 60%, the Cut 45i can handle continuous cutting operations without overheating. The output current can be adjusted within the range of 1545A to suit different cutting requirements. The insulation class for this plasma cutter is F, indicating its ability to withstand high temperatures during operation. It has a protection class rating of IP21S, offering protection against dust particles and water splashes. Operating at an efficiency rate of approximately 85%, the Herocut Cut 45i consumes less energy while delivering optimal performance. The post time for arc starting is measured at around 6 seconds. With a power factor rating of 0.85, this plasma cutter ensures efficient utilization of electricity during operation. Number 2. HITBOX 3-in-1 HBM200. The HITBOX HBM200 is a gas-no gas welding machine designed for versatile welding operations. It has a weight of 6 kilograms, making it portable and easy to transport. This welding machine operates at a voltage of both 110 V and 220 V, providing flexibility for different power systems. The plug type for this device is EU plug, suitable for use in European regions. The HBM200 welding machine does not have smart capabilities. It is a manual welding device that requires user input and control during operation. With dimensions of 422,428 centimeters, the HITBOX HBM200 provides a compact size without compromising on its functionality. The wire feeding speed of this welding machine is automatic, allowing for efficient and consistent wire feed during the welding process. This feature ensures smooth and high-quality welds. The model number of this HITBOX welding machine is HBM200, and it is manufactured in mainland China. It has been certified with the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. The rated input current for this welding machine is 22A, while the rated power capacity is 1 kVA. The recommended fuse capacity to support the operation of this device is 40A. The HBM200 offers multiple functions for various types of welding applications. It includes gasless MAG, metal inert gas function, and iron welding capabilities. Additionally, it also supports lift TIG, tungsten inert gas, function suitable for stainless steel welding. For arc welding purposes, it can be used for iron welding applications as well. Number 3. ANDELI Cut 50D Plasma Cutter. The ANDELI MIG 270 is a multifunctional welding machine suitable for various welding operations. It supports MIG, FCAW, stick, MMA, and lift TIG welding functions, providing versatility for different welding tasks. The MIG function of this welder supports both synergic and gasless flux wire MIG welding. Synergic control allows the welder to automatically adjust voltage, amperage, and feeding speed based on the welder data, making it easier for beginners to achieve optimal results. For gasless MIG welding, a 1.0 mm flux cord wire is recommended. When using gas for MIG welding, a 0.8 mm wire should be used. The ANDELI MIG 270 has a compact size and is suitable for household use or beginners in welding. It has been certified with the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. The model number of this welder is MIG 270, and it is manufactured in mainland China by ANDELI. Please note that the price mentioned does not include any taxes that may be generated by the country of destination. If there are any damages or problems after delivery, it is recommended to contact the seller directly for assistance. Number 4. Herocut Cut 55P Plasma Cutter. The Herocut Cut 55P is a plasma cutting machine designed for efficient and precise cutting operations. It has dimensions of 44 cm, 28 cm, 35, 5 cm, making it compact and easy to handle. This cutting machine operates at an input voltage of 220 V with an input power voltage range of 220 plus 10%. The rated current for this device is 50 amps, allowing for powerful and consistent cutting performance. The Cut 55P plasma cutter has a rated output voltage of 102 V and a duty cycle of 60%. It has a rated input power capacity of 1 kVA, ensuring sufficient power for various cutting tasks. To support the operation of this plasma cutter, an air compressor with a suggested airflow rate of 45 L/min and an air pressure range between 40-60 psi is recommended. The cutting torch used with the Herocut Cut 55P is the AG60P model. The plasma arc starting method employed by this machine is pilot arc, HF, providing reliable arc initiation without touching the workpiece. With its non-touch plasma arc starting feature, the Cut 55P ensures clean and precise cuts without any interference from metal contact or contamination. The quality cutting thickness achievable with this plasma cutter is up to 12 mm at 220 V, using a current setting of 55 amps and an air pressure range of 60 psi. This plasma cutter machine has been certified with the CE mark, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. It's manufactured in mainland China by Herocut. In terms of protection class, IT falls under IP21's protection class and insulation class as mentioned. Number 5. ANDELI Plasma Arc Cutter. The ANDELI Cut 50Y Pro X is a versatile plasma cutting and MMA welding machine designed for efficient cutting and welding operations. It operates at an input voltage of 220 V, making it suitable for standard power outlets. This model has a compact size and is manufactured in mainland China by ANDELI, a trusted brand in the welding industry. The Cut 50Y Pro X supports both plasma cutting and MMA, manual metal arc, welding functions. With its dual functionality, users can perform various tasks with one machine, saving time and effort. The frequency of this machine is 50/60 Hz, allowing for flexible operation in different regions with varying power standards. In terms of protection class, the Cut 50Y Pro X falls under IP21S. This means it provides basic protection against solid objects greater than 12 mm in diameter, but does not offer protection against water or other liquids. With an insulation class of H, this machine ensures proper insulation to reduce the risk of electrical accidents during operation. When it comes to plasma cutting capabilities, the maximum severance cut thickness achievable with the Cut 50Y Pro X is 25 mm. This indicates that the machine can cleanly cut through materials up to 25 mm thick when set to its maximum capacity.